Okay.
You see, taking into consideration the attitude of the leaders. When we were given statehood, the then Prime Minister, late Indira Gandhi, came all the way from Delhi to Shillong to grant us statehood. Now the present leadership, it only shows the neglect, they're not concerned about small states like Meghalaya, where the Prime Minister didn't even have the time to make time to visit the state on such a momentous occasion. It only shows their attitude, their concern for the people of the state. Indira Gandhi came all the way 50 years back to grant us statehood. Now, 50 years back, with all the modern mode of traveling, where traveling is fast, easier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has no time to visit the mainland. It only shows their attitude, their concern for the people of the state. And I believe this will send a strong message to the people of the state who is more concerned about our state. Congress leaders or leaders from other party. Please.
Are sworn in by Governor Nehru.
Would you further repeat after me, please?
I, Stanley D.D. Nichols Roy,
do solemnly affirm that
I will not directly or indirectly communicate.
Captain Williamson Sangma, the chief.
To the socio-economic development of the country. But then Congress leaders were still concerned about us. The present leadership doesn't bother in 50th year of statehood to visit our state and just to wish the state in this 50th year. Only shows what kind of attitude they have for us.
Thank you.